Nearly a month since the 1 October shooting, and many victims are still facing a long road to recovery. But it's thanks to doctors around the valley that we haven't seen the death toll rise. 13 Action News reporter Tom George spoke with a doctor working that night, and he joins us live with more. Tom.
Well, Trisha, he was working here at Sunrise Hospital in the trauma unit. Now, a month later, they say there are still 3 people here at the hospital recovering. Dave McIntyre has seen a lot in his career.
Trauma patients, down pilots. I've trained police officers how to deal with down officers.
But nothing like what he saw working at Sunrise as a trauma surgeon the night of 1 October.
This was quite overwhelming.
The halls quickly filled with patients being rushed in any way they could.
Most of the patients that were showing up were brought in by private vehicles in the droves. And I saw a lot of head injuries, a lot of chest trauma, and belly trauma.
It was his job to figure out who needed the most help and get them where they needed to go.
If they're talking to you, you sit them up, make them comfortable, and you move on to the next more serious patients.
And while there were some already gone when they arrived, he says he's proud of the work they did saving lives.
To see over 200 trauma victims in 7 hours, that's pretty good.
Now, a month later, he says while many have been released, they'll still need extended care and neurological rehab.
So there's a long road of rehab for a few of the patients. We'll have to wait and see.
But he says he's amazed by the work of doctors around the valley and making sure that that death toll of 58 never went up.
We're very lucky.
Now, some good news. I did reach out to some of the other hospitals around the valley. Both Valley Hospital and UMC say all of their patients from the shooting have now been released. Reporting live, Tom George, 13 Action News.